That's getting here back with another video. Today we're having another unboxing video. My brother knows. Is this fan mail or yes? Or yeah? Oh, I think this is fan mail. Yeah. So pull it open. Ooh, some I don't know. I think we need to cut off the sides. Oh, I can see the wrapper.
Because you're not strong enough to pull it.
Shut up. Just that this glue is, this tape is like all on this side. Okay, this is easy now. Okay, so, let's get this. It's pink confetti. What the cringe? What the cringe? What the
Is there anything else?
Is that a charger?
Ooh.
Apple charger? Is there anything else?
Alright.
Oh. Can I open this one?
Something.
Can I open this one?
Is this fan mail?
Yeah, this is fan mail, Mom. Okay, so
Posting this.
oh, this is like ties. Oh, guys, I just opened it off camera. Oh, this is heavy. Can't believe there's no.
It looks like a computer to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, something.
Oh,
Is that a laptop?
Oh, a MacBook Pro. Whoever sent this to me, insane.
you.
Not anybody else but me. Hey, it's mine.
Parker, don't you think about taking it, Parker?
Hey.
Hey, show the camera. Turns on.
Turns on pretty well.
MacBook.
As you can
Thank
see.
God it didn't.
This is why Apple's good.
Thank God the same thing didn't happen.
Did Apple send this to us? I think we got
I
sponsored
think
by
this is
Apple.
fan mail from Apple.
I think Apple sponsored
Thank
us.
God Parker did not whack it with a baseball bat like he did with the Kindle.
We'll be back when it turns on.
So guys, it turned on. Woo! Thank you, Apple. Oh, it came 50%. 45%. On the way, I think it's 5%.
MacBook Pro.
Ooh.
So this is what, our 4th MacBook Pro?
Probably 10th by Apple though.
The one at the beach house. The one that my substitute dad has. Oh my god.
Guys, this Moo-Tastic Gamer. This was the best PC. Not PC.
Baxter.
Moo-Tastic Gamer.
Baxter.
And we're out. Peace. Ooh.